This is the BMW M3 F80, a car that many say is the last true M3. A perfect blend of analog soul and modern power. A machine that delivers pure emotion every time you hit the throttle. Today, we'll explore what makes the M3 F80 a modern classic, from performance and design to that unmistakable exhaust note. Let's dive in. The F80 M3 looks muscular, purposeful, and timeless. Its flared fenders, carbon fiber roof, and sharp front fascia give it that unmistakable M presence. Even after years, this design still turns heads. Not because it's flashy, but because it's iconic. It's the kind of car that instantly says, "I'm built for performance." BMW nailed the balance between elegance and aggression here. Inside, the M3 F80 keeps it driver-focused, classic BMW layout, M steering wheel, and supportive sport seats that hug you through every turn. It's not overloaded with touchscreens. Instead, everything feels built for the driving experience. Quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and that signature M trim remind you this is a true performance machine. Under the hood lies the heart of the legend, a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, delivering up to 425 horsepower and 550 newton-meters of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 4 seconds. But numbers don't tell the full story. It's the way this engine feels, the throttle response, the growl, the way it pulls through every gear. This is where the M3 truly earns its reputation. The F80 is all about balance. Rear-wheel drive, precise steering, and a chassis tuned to perfection. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or cruising the city, the control is unmatched. Every corner becomes a thrill. Every straight stretch an opportunity. It's not just fast, it's alive. And that sound, it's pure symphony. The F80 doesn't whisper, it roars with confidence. Every pop and crackle reminds you that this is the essence of BMW's M spirit. The F80 M3 represents a turning point, the last of the pure rear-wheel drive, six-cylinder M3s before BMW went hybrid and AWD. It's fast, reliable, tunable, and still attainable for enthusiasts. Values are already stabilizing, and clean examples are starting to rise in price. This is the kind of car you buy now and cherish for years to come. The BMW M3 F80 isn't just another performance sedan. It's a masterpiece that bridges the past and the future. A car that delivers emotion, precision, and heritage, all in one package. It's not just a car, it's an investment in driving passion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Vehicle Insights, and share your thoughts on the F80 M3 in the comments below. Until next time, keep driving with passion.